Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to incorporate AI into your life. Firstly, it can write sales copy and website content. AI can generate persuasive copy of landing pages, blogs, and case studies. Tools you can use: ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai, or WriteSonic. Also, summarizing long articles. It saves time by getting a quick summary of news, reports, or research. You can use ChatGPT, Bing AI, or Gemini. Also, writing professional emails. You can get a perfectly structured emails with the right tone and grammar. You can use ChatGPT, Happy Copy, and Grammarly AI. Also, you can create social media graphics using tools like Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, or Midjourney. Edit or generate videos. You can make explainer videos, ads, or even animations with AI. Use Runway, Pika Labs, or Vio 3. Also, the ability to remove backgrounds, upscale quality, or retouch in one click, like Remove.bg, Luminar Neo AI. So, AI can save hours of manual work, improve quality and consistency, and help you focus on creative and strategic tasks instead of repetitive ones. A pro tip: start small, pick just one AI tool for text, image, or audio, and try it on a real task you do daily. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.